What's up, guys? First off, I want to say thank you for checking out or clicking on that message. You probably ended up here by clicking a text message or social media, drop cards, or a phone number. You may have seen it on a window decal or a flyer. Could have been anything, but you're on a page like this and you're looking into making more extra cash. I don't know what your situation is, but I do know that you're looking to make some extra cash, and I want to show you exactly how you can do that. People are making thousands of dollars every week by sending out text messages just like this one. You don't have to have any type of experience, no sales experience or anything like that. There's actually a video that's going to be doing the selling and the telling for you. And what this is called is Club Cash Fund. And the founder, his name is John Stalvey out of Florida. And this is a direct mailing opportunity. So you remember back in the day where they used to see these programs on classified ads where you get these kits and they'll send you a bunch of stickers and you have to pay for the postage and the envelopes, and you got to stuff envelopes and all that. Well, this is not that. This is a old school method, direct mailing, that's mixed with a new school type of system. This is called Club Cash Fund. And what we do is all we do is get people in front of this link, and you can do that a number of ways: by social media, classified ads. You can use Facebook. You can do reviews like YouTube videos like I'm doing right here. You can do drop cards, window decals, sticky notes, flyers, bandit signs, word of mouth. Word of mouth is still the best way of advertising. So this is Club Cash Fund, and what you're going to do is you can go down here and you can request a free starter kit. So I want you guys to know that this is legit, guys. This is a legit business. You're going to be going into business for yourself. You don't have to have any type of experience. I want you guys to know that I'm going to help you guys get started off with this. You can use Facebook, classified ads, sticky notes, and I just want you guys to know that I'm not here to take your money. I'm here to help you guys get money. Club Cash Fund is a one-time $100, but you're not going to worry about any of that just yet. You guys need to find out more information and make an educated decision before you get started off. And what you're going to do is you can request a free starter kit. You're going to get, if you decide to join, you're going to get a replicated website just like this one. This is a capture page. People enter their name. You're going to enter your name and your best email in here. Don't put a fake one in there, guys, because if you do decide to join this, you're going to get a starter kit. You're going to end up on a page just like this one. This is going to explain to you a little bit how this works. There is a 1-888 number. You can call this number to listen to all the testimonies, the people that are having huge success with Club Cash Fund around the United States. This is only valid in the U.S., guys. So if you're anywhere else, it's only valid in the US. You can request your free starter kit, and how you're going to do that is put your name, your best email, you're going to put your address in there, and you're going to be, there's little boxes down here. Yes, I have access or will have access to $100 in the next week. Okay, this is just a one-time $100, guys. You're not going to have to spend any monthly fees or anything like that. This is just a one-time $100. And if you do your research, go on YouTube, and I've actually done some videos where I did some research on Club Cash Fund. I first ran across this on Easter of 2019. I watched some videos. There was only a select few videos out there, when I started doing this research, but now Club Cash Fund is gone viral. It's sweeping the nation right now, and I'm going to go to the YouTube videos here and just show you guys all these reviews of people that are getting mailbox money. You're going to see some of my videos in there. You're going to see some others also that are doing reviews. They're doing proof payments when they get money delivered to their mailbox. And you guys don't have to have any type of experience doing this, but you're going to be put on a rotator link, and eventually your name's going to be pulled up to get paid by Club Cash Fund. You're not going to have to worry about any envelope stuffing. The company's going to do all that for you. Also, you're not going to have to pay for any postage. When you get this free starter kit in the mail, there's going to be a self-stamped envelope where you can put the $100 in, and you can send it back to the company. And so you don't have to worry about buying a stamp to send the money back. So check out all these reviews. There's more and more reviews coming up every single day with Club Cash Fund. You're going to request a free starter kit. You're going to get a replicated website just like this one. When people request a free starter kit, you're gonna have a website that's gonna tell you all the information when people request the starter kit. It's also gonna keep track of how much money that is being made. You're gonna know when money is being sent to you. It's gonna keep track of the people that request starter kit. It's gonna keep track of people that have opted into your email. And the products are, you're gonna get the resale rights to sell this website for a one-time $100. And also, your products are, you're going to get some digital training. The training's going to be on email marketing and free Facebook strategies on how to post on Facebook to share your business. So you guys, I just want you to know that you're going to have benefits because you're going to be a home business owner. A lot of people don't tell you that. You have a lot of advantages of being a home business owner. There's a lot of different tax deduction laws. If you're a home business owner, you're going to be able to use your cell phone as a tax write-off. You can use your meals as a tax write-off. You can hire your kids and use that as a tax write-off. There's a lot of different advantages of being a home business owner compared to just being a corporate 9 to 5 corporate worker. So you're going to be a home business owner. You're going to have tax advantages, guys. And that's the cool thing about spending this one-time $100 with Club Cash Fund. And you're going to eventually get some money in the mailbox. And hopefully by the next couple weeks, you request a starter kit. There's going to be some videos that you can click down below that shows you how you can start quicker by using the Cash App. And I want you guys to know that my number is down at the bottom. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to text me. My social media links are at the bottom also. So what you're going to do is, all you're going to do is just request that free starter kit, and you can make an educated decision from there. If you want to get started quicker, then there's some content down at the bottom that shows you exactly how you're going to be able to do that. But Club Cash Fund is sweeping the nation, guys. This is the US only, and I also have another link down there how I'm using a phone number to put this business on steroids by promoting a phone number that automatically sends out a link for you. This is called affiliate marketing. This is totally legit. This is totally legal, guys. So I just wanted you guys to give you a quick video. You're going to run across a website just like this one. This is my own website because I have multiple income streams that are coming in from online. I use the Conversion Pros as my marketing system. This is how I made this page. And you can get a page just like this one too. You can message me. You can watch some of my videos to find out why it's important to have your own marketing system. And the SMS phone leads, it's a one-time $20. That's the phone number. It's totally separate from Club Cash Fund. I'm using it as a tool to grow my business. You see there's my Facebook icon and YouTube icon down there. You can watch some of my review videos with Club Cash Fund. This video shows you how you can use the Cash App to start almost immediately. These are some testimonials. You're going to get a replicated website, guys. The product is, you get the resale rights, you get the digital training, and you're not going to have to stuff any envelopes. You don't have to have any type of experience. And also, I'm going to be inviting you guys, for the ones that join me, I'm going to invite you to my private Facebook page where I'm going to have some training on how you can connect with people. There's also some really valuable training that is worth $2,000. And some of that training is done by the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort. And I'm not going to go into much about that, but there's going to be 10 plus hours of videos that only my team is going to be able to see. Only my team, the people that join me, are going to be able to see. There's also some training on there, how to connect with people and how to promote and stuff like that, that I also spend additional $300, or actually $500 on the content. So my video's not rotating sideways, but the group page is Club Cash Fund, Boom to Success. You're going to get invited to this page once you join. There's going to be loads of training. There's going to be posts on that you can copy on here, that you can post on your own Facebook page. So you're not, once you join this, you're not going to be stuck in the dark on trying to figure out what to do. I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your Facebook profile, how you can gain more friends, and how to promote this Club Cash Fund business. So I got some valuable content within this group it's worth way more than the one-time $100 that it costs to join this Club Cash Fund opportunity. There's actually about between $3,000 to $4,000 worth of content inside the Facebook team page, the group, Club Cash Fund, Boome to Success. You're also going to get some training in there, and you're going to get some image posting on some images that you can post and share on your own timeline with Facebook. So I just wanted to run you guys across this opportunity. I thank you guys for checking this out. And what you're going to do first, the first steps, you're going to go down to the bottom, request a free starter kit. And if you want to do signed up the rapid way, you're going to want to write down your ID number, and you can send that one-time $100 into this address on the bottom, and you'll get your login details for your own website probably about the same time that you get the starter kit that comes in the mail. So once you get started, you're going to be expecting a manila envelope in the mail shortly after. It's going to be from GPCS Incorporated from Florida, and it's going to be a manila envelope. You're going to get a flyer. I'll show you guys the flyer just before I cut this video short. Go to my files. I'm doing everything off of my smartphone, guys. This is how simple this is. I'm making my YouTube review videos off of my smartphone. I just downloaded a simple app that's called DU Recorder, and I'm using PicArts to make thumbnails for this. It's really simple. You don't have to have any type of experience. You don't have to be a computer whiz or anything like that. So I just want to run that across to you guys. And now is the time to get in. Position yourself to start getting mailbox money. Thousands of people across the United States are getting mailbox money. And you can go on YouTube, do your research, and you can make an educated decision once you get this flyer in the mail. So wait for this to load up. You're going to get a flyer just like this one, guys. It's going to be a colored flyer. This is what's sent out. This is what the company sends out. Like I said earlier, you're not going to have to do any envelope stuffing. You're not going to have to pay for any postage. This company is doing all of this for you. Just think of all the postage fees that you're going to be saving on this. And this actually tells you how you're going to be getting paid. You're going to be getting paid, 3 levels deep, matching pay. When you get a flyer sent out to, and my name's going to be at the top. And then once you start getting people out, my name's going to get bumped down to the number 2. And once your signups get signups, my name will get bumped down to number 3. And there's a random fast track member for number 4 position. These are members that randomly get picked to get $20 bills in the mail. So everybody's going to eventually get paid. The number 5 positions for the company, of course, they have to have their hands in the cookie jar too, because they're paying for this website and all the training. So your job is just to get people in front of this link, and basically your job is just to give away free starter kits. This is the starter kit, guys. It's simple, and you're going to find out exactly how to do that within the training, and also I'm sharing some additional training with you inside the Facebook group you're going to be invited to once you join. And I have thousands of dollars worth of content in there it's only valid to my team members. Nobody else is. I can guarantee there's nobody else that's sharing the $2,000 content that I have with the Wolf of Wall Street. And at that, what you guys do next is just go down and request that free starter kit. This is Club Cash Fund. It is sweeping the nation right now, guys. Position yourself to get that mailbox money. You're going to be a home business owner. Just think of all of the benefits you're going to have as being a home business owner. Just from spending that one-time $100 fee. You're going to be a home business owner, So at that, click that link down below. If you have any questions, feel free to text me. Feel free to ask me questions. Hit that Facebook link on the bottom. Friend request me. Click that YouTube video. You can check out my reviews. Do your research. At that, guys, I will see you on the next video. This is another Club Cash Fund video, June 20th, 2019. Let's get it, guys. Go get that money. Mailbox money. All right. Peace out. Peace.